We've got the decorations, the snacks, and the sparkle hats. Everyone ready for the best 4th of July picnic ever?
Yay! I even bought my sprinkle cupcakes.
I brought Pal Wham confetti.
And I brought popcorn, obviously.
Let's play red, white, and blue.
You wanted the red flag, then white, then blue. Go, go, go!
Whee! Time to light the confetti fireworks.
Wait, those are real fireworks? Bam! Ah! This guy's going already?
Let's make our own finale. I still have the glow wands.
And my cupcake sparklers.
Let's sparkle the sky, Bunlolly style.
Best 4th of July ever!
With the best friends ever. And the biggest boom of all was love. Okay, but the popcorn was also awesome.